Welcome to Rhysley, one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of denim apparel. Today, we are excited to show you the innovative cutting-edge technologies that we use to create the finest of denim apparel.
At Rhysley, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. From sustainable practices to state-of-the-art production techniques, we are leading the way in denim technology.
Let's have a look at some of the path-breaking innovations that we have incorporated into our manufacturing process.
We begin with sustainable materials. Our denim is made from responsibly sourced cotton and recycled fibers. Using organic cotton and recycled fibers not only reduces the environment impact but also creates a unique texture and feel that sets our denim garments apart. Our denim washing techniques are designed to consume less amount of water without compromising on quality at all. With the help of semi and fully automated machines, we are able to achieve consistency in our garments and maintain minimal shade variations even when producing bulk orders.
Next, we are going to talk about distressing method. Now, did you know that conventional denim distressing methods use a lot of water and chemicals? Well, they are the things of the past.
We have replaced these with state-of-the-art laser technology, which creates precise and customizable distress patterns without the use of any harmful chemicals. This not only reduces waste but also allows for greater flexibility in designs. Our ozone washing process uses ozone gas instead of traditional water-based methods. It gives denim a distressed look in an eco-friendly, non-polluting way. No wonder this innovative technique has become a game changer in the world of denim. Another technology that has helped us push the boundaries of creativity is the use of laser machines. Laser machines have helped create an infinite number of designs with unparalleled precision and consistency.
Besides, automated cutting and stitching machines ensure each and every garment is crafted to perfection.
This increases production speed, cut down on costs, and maximizes output. This advanced technology ultimately allows us to produce high-quality denim garments at a huge scale without compromising on quality.
So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to start your journey with Rhysley. We are experts in handling orders of all kinds.